Today we solder a copper pipe. Please prepare all necessary materials and tools.
These are pipes. A pipe cutter, a deburrer, a flanging tool, a cleaning pad, a blowtorch, and tin solder.
Now we can start. Pay close attention. I cut the pipe with the pipe cutter to the required length and use the deburring tool to scrape away the burrs and flare the pipe on the other end.
What does deburring and flaring mean? I don't know these words.
When you cut the pipe you will have a burr, a rough edge at the cut surface. You have to remove this burr because if you don't, you cannot properly connect the pipes.
Interesting. And what is the meaning of flaring?
You adapt the pipe with the flanging tool, so it fits the other pipe. Today, however, in many cases we use a more modern technique. We use fittings that are hydraulically pressed. There are fittings in different sizes and forms. You can also use sliding sleeves. We mostly use fittings.
Please pass me the cleaning pad and a soldering flux.
Why do we need these things?
With the pad I clean the soldering area from any dust and dirt.
And the soldering flux?
With it you chemically remove all the finer dust and dirt from the soldering area.
But why does it all have to be so clean?
If the materials are not clean, the solder cannot connect to the pipe properly, so the soldering spot leaks. Now we can start soldering.
Now we light the blowtorch. The igniter is part of the blowtorch.
Why do we use igniter and not matches or a lighter?
Safety reasons. If you use a lighter you can burn yourself and an explosion can occur.
I prefer to use an igniter because it is much safer.
To do it properly you should heat the solder area for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets fiery red, flame red coloured.
Okay, and what next?
Take the tin solder and let it flow into the soldered joint.
In this scene, we learn how to change a socket. We see a dialogue between an electrician and an apprentice. They speak about the different working stages.
First of all, you must turn off the power at the consumer unit. Can you give me a screwdriver, please?
Sure. Is this one okay?
No, the larger one please with the Phillips screwdriver bit.
Okay. Is this one fine?
Yes, thank you. Now we unscrew the screws on the socket and remove the socket cover. With a voltage checker, we have to check that there is no live current running. Socket outlets are usually connected to a ring circuit. Now we can identify the earth cable, the live cable and the neutral cable. Now we can proceed.
Do I need to unscrew the cables?
Yes. Can you tell which one is which?
The brown one is the live and the blue one is the neutral. In older UK houses, the cable for the live is red and for the neutral is black.
And the remaining cable, which is green and yellow, is earth. Screw the cables into the new socket terminals, but you must be very careful they are going into the correct terminal hole.
And how do I spot the right terminal hole?
The position of these may vary between sockets from different manufacturers, but you have the letter L for live and N for neutral.
Yes, I see them. Thank you for the tip.
You need to make sure the cables are nice and secure and that no bare wires are showing. Fix the new socket to the back box and turn the power back on.